Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim on Legendary difficulty. This setting drastically changes combat, making enemies much tougher. Your damage output is reduced to 1/4, while foes deal 3 times more damage. Success requires careful planning and strategic execution from the very beginning. Focus on survivability and crowd control in early encounters. Choosing the right race and initial skills is paramount for a strong start. Prepare for a challenging, yet rewarding adventure. Building your character effectively is key to conquering legendary difficulty. Prioritize skills like heavy armor and block to withstand enemy attacks. For offense, one-handed or two-handed combat, paired with archery for ranged encounters, works wonders. Don't underestimate the power of crafting. Alchemy and enchanting allow you to create incredibly potent gear and potions. These skills provide a significant advantage, turning the tide in even the toughest battles. Mastering combat tactics is essential for survival. Always be prepared with a generous supply of health, stamina, and magicka potions. Utilize powerful shouts, like Unrelenting Force, to control groups of enemies or create distance. Enchant your equipment with resistances to elemental damage and fortify your primary combat skills. Don't forget your followers. They can draw enemy attention and provide valuable extra damage, making challenging encounters much more manageable. Strategic progression and exploration are vital for long-term success. Approach dungeons cautiously, often luring enemies one by one to avoid being overwhelmed. Focus on quests that offer powerful unique items or skill-boosting rewards. It's wise to avoid high-level areas until your character is sufficiently equipped and leveled. Remember to save your game frequently, especially before entering new areas or engaging in potentially dangerous battles. Patience is a virtue on legendary difficulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.